Right now, there are still many outdated techniques and machines and materials being used in the field of floor cleaning and floor maintenance. This means that a lot of chemicals and especially time are being wasted, combined with a lot of other challenges. At Excentr, we develop and manufacture machines that work according to the Excentr method. All machines that work according to the Excentr method work at 2850 RPM with small oscillations of approximately 7 mm. Because of the very short oscillations and relatively high pad pressure, you can strip, clean, deep clean and polish floors up to 4 times faster than traditional methods, in many cases without the use of chemicals. Thanks to its unique shape, you can move right along the side and into the corners of the area. The ergonomic design makes it easy to work with for anyone, no machine training required. So do you want to clean and maintain floors efficiently, use less chemicals and use floor machines with ease? Then you don't need a traditional rotary machine. You need the Excentr method.